Hey everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel and something super special today. The Sewers Club company sent me a box. They wanted me to do an open box video and a review of the kit that it contains. And I'm also going to do a giveaway for your own box, so stick around to the end of this video and I'll tell you all about how you can win your own box and then other perks that they are offering to My Great Challenge subscribers. So I gotta tell you, when I started sewing on this channel, I had a lot of criticism and pushback, sewing ain't for you. This is horrible, why are you showing that on camera? The usual, okay? It's like people expect perfection on YouTube. And I get it, if you watch a tutorial, you want somebody who knows what they're doing. But I guess, that many years of trying hard at learning how to sew made me noticeable, because this company sent me a kit and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these guys. They are in Canada. It is a monthly subscription. So what you do is that you join the club and you can do either one box, 3 months, 6 months, or a whole year if you wanted to. Of course, there's a discount if you purchase more. And every month, on the 27th of the month, they're going to send you a box just like this one. And this box contains a kit, everything you need for one particular project, and the projects never repeat. So it's not like you subscribe for a whole year and then the December 2023 project is the same one as the December 2022 project. So there's a lot of different types of projects. There's apron, that would be under sewing. There's some quilting like placemats, things like that, bags, cushion covers, pouches with zippers, different projects like little crossbody bags or little mini bags for ID cards or things. So every month is a different project and they give you everything you're going to need to make that project. So they'll give you, if it's a bag for instance, they'll give you the snap, the zippers, the fabric, the liners, all of this stuff, complete instructions and access to a video tutorial. If you don't have the notions, like if you're missing the needles and you're missing the threads or things like that, you can add that to your kit every month so you can get the kit plus the notions. And if you are new to sewing and really committed to learning how to sew, you can also get a different subscription that is the Stash Builder. And that box will provide you every month, I believe it's 12 fat quarters from their collection. So you can start building up your collection of fabrics for projects. So why is this something that you may want to consider if you're starting to sew? This is the perfect thing to learn and build on skills, because every time you're going to learn a new skill. You may learn a new hemming technique, or you may learn a new fold technique, or you may learn to do a zipper or a snap, anything that is related to sewing, and every month is going to be a new technique. So what's going to happen is that if you do that for an extended period of time, you're going to build on your skill, and you're also going to build, more importantly, on the confidence you need to continue sewing. I know that sewing can be a daunting experience and a lot of people give up because they are not happy with their first, second or third tryout and the results of whatever project they're working on, and they're just like, you know what, it's too complicated, sewing is not for me. Do not give up on sewing. There's a big community of people out there who are willing to help you. I still require a lot of help and I don't have any problem reaching out, Barbara, to people who can help me understanding things that I just don't grasp, okay? It's not an innate skill, obviously it's a skill you build upon. This is the perfect gift. So what you do is that you go on the website, you order your box, and the price you see is the price you're going to pay. It doesn't matter where you live, the shipping is included. So remember, this is coming from Canada, okay? So I know that Canadians always have a trouble with things coming from the US because the shipping is humongous. Well, this is coming from you folks. But the shipping is included, and they ship internationally as well. And they ship on the 27th of the month. So I got mine around either the 5th or the 6th of July, coming from Canada to northern New Jersey, to give you an idea, okay? So enough talking. I'm going to open it. I have no idea what's in it. I didn't even look at the website to see what's in it. I am super excited. Let's open this box. So I usually don't like surprises, okay? I gotta be honest. I like to know what's in the box. Let me hide. Well, that's my P.O. box, so that's fine. And I'm always very concerned when it's things like this, that whether or not I'm gonna like what's in it, in particular the fabric. Okay, so let's open this. First time I open it, guys, so this is what it looks like. Sew and share. Share your projects with other members by joining the Source Club community, hashtag Source Club. So the first thing you see is this, and it's got my name on it. How sweet. And the project material. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be, you can't see it, it's over there. It's a bag, like a beach bag. So this card here, and it's nice printed material, has everything that's included in the kit, and then special bonuses. So, oh, I'm excited. So it looks like it's going to be some kind of beach bag. How cool, and it's round. Ooh, I've never done anything round. So this is the instructions that come with it. Ooh, is there more than one option? Oh, there's two. So one is the round bag, which you see right here. And this one is the crossbody bag. So you get to do either or. I think I'm gonna do the crossbody. This would be so cute for a little girl. Okay, so these are the instructions, and I'll open them in a little bit. Oh my goodness, would you look at everything that's in this box. Here's the first fabric. It's got a retro feel. This is good material, I can tell you that right now. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, so here's the first fabric. It's got swimmers. This is really, really good material. So this is a fat quarter. Here's another fat quarter, and this one is orange kind of color with droplets. This is really good fabric. Okay, bobbin, and it's Gutermann. Okay, pardon my accent. We get the little G-rings for the straps. I'm telling you, everything is included. How awesome is that? Here's the zipper. So you're gonna learn to do zippers, which I've done only one time, you remember, and boy, was that a struggle. Here's some interfacing. I'm assuming that's going to be for the straps. Here's a coordinating fabric. Man, there's a lot in this box. Look at that. It's kind of like a yellowish melted butter type color. I gotta tell you, the fabric quality is really good. I'm impressed so far. Oh, we got a bias tape maker. So they sent me, I think they sent me the box that also includes the notions. So bias tape maker. Here's some padding that's going to be used, you know, like a batting type to make the bag a little bit sturdier. Very nice. And then this one here is a friction pen that you can use to mark. Okay, so that's what's in the box. So again, you get the padding. If you ordered the one with the notions, you get the bias tape and the coordinated thread and the G-rings. And then here are your fabrics. So there's this yellow, this one, and this one. So pretty. Oh, I can't wait to make this. All right, and then this is the interfacing probably for the strap, and then the zipper. Yeah, so it looks like I got special bonus. I got all of the extra stuff. All right, so instructions, because I won't do the round one. I'll do this one because it looks like it's going to be simple. So for the instructions, they show you how to cut, right? And how to start assembling. So they look pretty easy to follow. I think I can totally do this. This is exciting. So now I have the instructions for the round one, and they show you how to cut. And I wonder, yes, they give you the template to cut the round bag, so you get the pattern as well. This is super exciting, and the great thing is that because they send you the instructions and the dimensions of all of the fabric and how much you need, you can actually repeat this pattern over and over again if you want to make it as gifts or whatnot. This bag I can't wait to make. It's cute fabric. I'm sure I'm gonna have the finished size is approximately 7 1/4 by 9 1/2, and for the round one the finished side is 7 1/2 by 7 1/2, so it's about this big. As I mentioned, really cute for a little girl. Oh man, I'm so excited about this. So this is what's in the July 2022 box, and my first impression, because you know that's what I'm here for a review. It is difficult to have somebody pick fabric for you. They may not necessarily be your style. These are not my style, but I like them. I actually do like them. I like the retro vibe of those little swimmers here. This is really cool. They're not colors that I would have picked, but why not? This is different. So I like it, but I have to tell you, the fabric quality is excellent. This is real quilters fabric and real craft fabric. This is not flimsy cotton that is see-through. There's no smell to it. Oh, it's beautiful. Fabric, excellent thread count. And they really do give you everything. It looks like it's goof-proof. The instructions, let me put my glasses on because I want to make sure the instructions are easy to follow. Turn and press, sew a top stitch on both sides of the tab, insert the D-ring. Okay, so you do have to have knowledge of the lingo of sewing. So I definitely would recommend, if this is your first time, to go on their website and follow the link that they provide so that you can see the instructions and follow along. I'm probably gonna do that because I don't want to mess it up. But my first impression is that this is excellent. So how much does it cost? The box itself is $31 something. Again, the shipping is free. It's every month, and every month you get a different project. I think that this is a really good gift idea for somebody you know who enjoys sewing, or somebody who wants to learn and try sewing. For instance, the teenagers in your life who are interested in picking up a skill like sewing. Sometimes you go to the store and you have no idea what you're supposed to purchase, but this is giving you everything you'll ever need. And because it's giving you everything you'll ever need, you're not going to be frustrated, you're not going to miss anything. Everything is going to be right there for you, and you just follow the instructions. It's like a, you know, any other kit. I think it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I like it very much. I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to make me a little bag. What am I gonna do with this bag? I bet it's gonna be a better bag than the one I made for Mom. So what are the perks? Every time I have a company asking me, hey, could you do a review on this? My first question is always absolutely yes, but are you willing to do a giveaway? So this company, the Sewers Club, is willing to do a giveaway for one box. So this is what you're going to do, and it's going to be probably this kit, or maybe it will be next month's kit. I don't know, but it might be this kit. So all you have to do is comment down below and let me know in the comment section, and let me know that you want to be entered in their giveaway. And William will pick somebody at random, and the company will send you one box. Whether it's the July or the August, I don't know. But they will send you one box directly from them. The other perk is if you go on the website and you decide to go get your first box, you can use the code MyGreatChallenge, all in capital letter, and you will get $8 off your very first box. So this is 31. So your first and perhaps your only box, if you only want one, will be $23. And remember, the shipping is included in that. So MyGreatChallenge for the code, and enter down below if you want to win your own box. This is super exciting. It's amazing how much they packed in there. So if you're interested, check out the website. The link is down below. Don't forget the code MyGreatChallenge if you want your $8 off your box. And then you can also look past boxes to see what other projects they had. And some of them were really, really cute. And also that other box that they provide on a monthly basis, which is the stash builder, where you build up your stash of fat quarters every month. So my review and first impression is that this is worthy. This is totally worth it. You would absolutely not get all of this plus the pattern for 31 bucks, 23 if you use my code. You would absolutely not get that for 31 bucks at your Joann or your regular quilting shop. You would spend way more money than that. So it is worth the price. They give you good quality. It's a great value, but the best part is the fun aspect of it, because you get that every month. You have no idea what the project is, and again, you're going to build on your skills, and this is exactly what I want to do. I'm excited about this project because I'm not really good with zippers. I'm not really good with straps. And what else am I not good at? I think that's it. I think this one I'll manage, except for the zipper and the strap. So anyway, I'm gonna build on my skills, sharpen the saw, sharpen the saw. Oh, and they give you the pen, I forgot. Okay, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video unboxing. I hope you are interested. Again, they give you the pattern. You can go online and watch a video tutorial if you're unsure. Perfect gift for somebody who's a sewing enthusiast or a teenager who wants to learn. And it's a good subscription. Out of all the subscriptions you could get out there, this is a good one. This is one you actually will use, okay? That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram at MyGreatChallenge. MyGreatChallenge gift on Etsy for channel merch. My vintage shop on Etsy is Frenchy and Tubby. And recently, as of July 1st, MyGreatChallenge on Patreon. The link is down below. We are, as of today, 210 strong, and we're having a good time over there. My Patreon channel is for exclusive and behind-the-scene content. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye! Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.